Yes, Becca, for being here today for this signing. We have signed this agreement today to take forward our long-standing arrangement with GIZ and the German government, where they have been assisting us in the field of energy. This particular agreement that we have signed will help the Alternate Energy Development Board in building its capacities and taking the work that it does on development of alternate energy in Pakistan forward. This agreement will also assist us in assessing the distribution system in Pakistan, where we will be selecting with joint discussion one or two discos where the GIZ will be assisting us in assessing the weaknesses and areas of improvement. So I once again thank GIZ and the German government for this agreement and this project, and I hope that this will go a long way in improving the alternate energy and energy efficiency systems in Pakistan. Thank you, Mr. Tobias.
Thank you. Pending cooperation between Germany and Pakistan, which is 60 years of development cooperation. And during this time, energy was always one of the focal areas Pakistan and Germany cooperated in. We have a long tradition also working together with the Ministry of Energy, with the Alternative Energy Development Board. So I'm very happy that we continue this and also bring it now to the new level in light of the alternative energy policy with ambitious goals of Pakistan to reach 30% of renewable energies by 2030, which is also very much appreciated by the German government that Pakistan undertakes this kind of effort. Germany offers the expertise what we have also to how to feed in and how to manage grids when it comes to renewable energy, because we also started very long in this. I always have to say that the worst PV areas in Pakistan, where you have the least efficiency, are still better than the highest performing areas in Germany when it comes to PV. So that shows really what potential Pakistan has, and we are very happy to support that. Thank you very much.